Good day, good day. I hope you are doing great. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. Happy New Year. I hope you are doing great. So before we continue, I just wanted to show you something because we not actually I've been like quite busy. Not really that busy because it was like festive season, so which means I was just spending time with families and stuff. But last year, actually, when the market was here, you can see that the indicator actually gave me a very proper sell. Then I took that sell. I thought maybe this was going to continue going even further, especially of a strong NFP, but it did not. But now I'm just waiting for the market. Let me just draw this for you. You will see why I'm still waiting. So we have something like this. So which means we are still below that support area. So which means we are on a downtrend. So now, if the market breaks this resistant area, it's when I will just get out. I already locked everything there, but I'm expecting it maybe to play around. Then I can just get out. Likely enough, I saw CPI yesterday. It was much better, and that pushed the market to go a little bit up. But next week, Monday, Trump is going to be president and stuff like that. So we will see how the market will be reacting. So I'm expecting to close this. So this shows you that yes, you can still use this indicator if maybe you just want to swing. This is a daytime to a daily time frame, but just look at this buy zone there. Just look at that. Here it was a proper buy also, but it means since I was on a downtrend, I was supposed to get out uh, as I was selling. But for whoever who want to buy, obviously, if they did buy here, they did make something. So, but since now it's January, it means I'll have to go back to my 1 hour so that I can just continue with that. So I will be closing my smaller profits there, but it's better than nothing because the signal was just straightforward. For those who want the indicator, just contact me. It is still that 150. Simple as that, because it's working and it deserves a better price, bigger than that. Anyways, now let's go straight. So let's just close this. Let's go straight to the market, or maybe let's go straight to the economic calendar so that you can actually see what we have. You can see that Monday, we had nothing yesterday. Sorry, not yesterday. It's actually Thursday. So day before that, Tuesday, we had CPI. Things were very nice. Sorry, PPI. The numbers were very nice because everything was just going down. Following CPI also, the numbers were not really that aggressive, and that shows us that inflation is not as bad as it seems. So that NFP that was aggressively higher, maybe it was because of November, December shopping or higher sales because it was festive season, right? So fast forward, it's today. We're waiting for retail sales. So let's hope that the numbers are going to be a little bit lower. That will be even way much better. You see that? So yeah, we're just waiting for that and be prepared for this year, guys. It's still early. You can actually do better. Do practice whatever that you want to practice, but I can recommend that get the system because it will help you to just start by trading. Once, if you have the funds, you can get a buy sell immediately at your own time. Simple as that. But anyways, let's not waste that time. You can see here USD JPY. I'm just mixing things up here. JPY, it is still on that nice uptrend. You see that, but it seems like the market is trying to go a little bit lower, which is great because we can see that if it touches this support area, we will be expecting to see it pushing even higher. But there is that possibility that retail sale might be weaker. Then we might see the market breaking everything there, and we might see the market selling. But sometimes it's going to be difficult for the market just to break these structures because just look at this. Along the way, we had all those economic news, but the support area, it was still very strong. So fast forward, let's push straight to dollar index, maybe you will see a smaller reversal there. You can see the market reversed exactly on our resistance area. If we check a little bit back here, you will see that the market actually, it's coming, okay, sorry. It's coming from that structure, which it was a sort of a downtrend structure. The market broke out of that. So now the market is actually flying. So which means that reversal might not really be enough. Maybe there is a possibility for the market to even go higher. See that? So the market just reached this resistance. There is a chance for the market to do what? To push even higher. Simple as that. So at the moment, it shows us that the dollar was a little bit weaker, but not really that aggressive. Oh, I think the best way I can just go on a daily time frame, because we did not really do much on the analysis this week. So yeah, I was quite busy. So you can see that. So the market created this level. So I'm expecting it to go a little bit lower before we see a nice push to the upside. Simple as that, something like that. So anyways, let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. Let's see. This is GBP USD. You can see that the dollar currently is losing some momentum. This was the last signal that we said. Yes, it was in a very nice profit, but because we had some economic news, the market did push here and there. But at the end of the day, we are still on that nice downtrend structure. You can see that, yes, the market was going higher. Very nice, by the way. But we can easily see that now it shows us that after we saw that breakout, the market is not willing to push the upside. So which means we are actually continuing with that downtrend structure. So which means we will be continuing with that downtrend structure and see what's really happening. I saw on the news while I was trying to catch up that Israel and Hamas, they are reaching ceasefire deal, whatever. If that is going to happen, that will be good. Trump next week is going to be the president. If maybe he resolves Russia-Ukraine war, I think we are going to see some very nice reversals. I think we're going to see that. So don't be fooled by this push there, because remember, we had NFP, sorry, not NFP, CPI and PPI, which were actually lower than expected. Maybe it's because of that. That's why we see gold actually pushing that, because those days in a row, USD, it was actually weaker. So that's why we see then the market pushing up. But when we check reality, or let's say the news, geopolitics and stuff like that, we can start to see that no, there is no point to see gold pushing up at the moment. I think along the way we will start to see the market respecting that and start to go even lower if the wars are starting to slow down or to stop. That will be great for the world. Then we will see actually gold starting to reverse. So, but most likely once it starts to reverse, it's where we're going to see US and other pairs, or the ones that they call them safe havens like Swiss franc. I think they might start to push the upside. Easy as that. So at the moment, yeah, we are still on that uptrend, but remember there is that resistance. So there is that type of a play that might happen. It's actually a wedge structure. Unless if the market breaks out, yes, we will say, okay, the market is continuing, but I don't really have that confidence to say the market will continue going even higher. So this is what I had on my system. So the system showed me that, you know what, we're going up, up, up. I took a sell there. I was supposed to get out here, but I thought maybe the market was going to continue. So at the moment, we are around this resistance, which means I'm expecting it to continue to go even lower. But at the moment, we're just waiting. Maybe retail sales will do its thing, because a few days ago, we saw negative or lower than expected news, and that actually it's good for the stock market because it makes the dollar to be a little bit weaker. So for now, yeah, US30 still playing around or consolidating below our support area. So which means we are still on that downtrend. Yes, things they might change along the way we expect the market to go to continue going up, but most likely there is also that chance that since things looks nice, this is what investors think sometimes. There is this thing of rebalancing the sheets. If there's few companies which were performing very well, and we still expect something good to happen, we actually balance our portfolio by selling selling shares which were profitable and balancing with the other ones. So which means that might affect the move from of US30 to push lower, because we expect USD to continue going up. So which means if I can sell here, this might be a nice profit, and I will be buying at the lower area because we already know that we expect the market to continue going up. So which means it's better to sell now, especially when we expect the market to go up. I hope maybe that makes sense. You sell now, you take your profits because maybe you bought earlier. Then once the market goes down, then we keep buying again and it continues going up. I hope maybe should talk about how investors actually think and how they invest. There's this thing called rebalancing, stuff like that. You take some profits here, you buy the other ones, you do this, you do that, and all that at the end of the day is to make sure that all your stocks are performing very well. But not all of them, they will be performing very well. So which means few of them, they will be making almost 90% of your profit. Maybe 3 of them. You might find that all 6 shares or companies that you bought or stocks, they are not performing very well. Only 3 or 2, they are the ones that are covering everything. Simple as that. It's called diversifying. So yeah, on US30, I'm still expecting to see maybe the market pushing lower before we see those push. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. My favorite, US tech or US 100. So on US 100, we can see that the market is creating a very nice structure there on top. It's a resistance. You can see this resistance there. But at the end of the day, we are still on that nice uptrend. If we go closer, you will see that, oh, the market, it's actually respecting the market around the same level. Around the same level. So that should tell you something, that the market is actually creating this wedge structure. So which means, yes, we are expecting to buy and stuff like that, but there is a chance for the market to break this support area. Remember what I've said on USDT. When we expect the market to go up, when we expect good things to happen, so the strategy should be, just because we expect the market to go even higher, why don't we just close with profit and offload some of our shares? Then the market, most likely it will sell for no reason, just for that. Then we can catch it on the lower side. Then the market keeps going up. Most likely once the market goes up, it goes crazy, because there were no bad things in the market happening. It was profit taking. I hope that makes sense. But at the moment, we are still on that nice uptrend, but it seems like we need to respect what we see. I can see that the market is creating this type of a structure there, something like that. Do you see that? So there is a possibility for that to continue before we see those nice push. But Trump next week, whatever, things might go crazy here. Sometimes just stay safe in the market and just relax, guys. So it's a new year, guys. It's 2025. So what I'm doing now, I'm just giving everyone a chance to join our signal group. So you can join our 12-month signal group for only $25. So this is going to last until a month end. $25, you get 12 months actually for this year. It's a new group for everyone, or we will add you in the actually this is VIP signals. $25, be part of our team for 12 months. So for those who want our signal indicator, that it's actually $150, and you just have signals at your own time. Simple as that. So I will see you on the next one. You can scan this QR code, then you can talk to me if you want one of my services. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.